Hello everyone and welcome back to the Code Syndicate. Today we will discuss enums in Rust. Enums are user-defined data types that allows us to define multiple related values for a specific program. Let's assume we want to fetch vowels from a string. For example, let's say we want to fetch vowels from string football. In this case, we may have two different possibilities of values. If this string contains any vowel or vowels, we will get the list of vowels in the response. Or if vowels do not exist in that string, we will get nothing. So the possible outcome may be either a list of vowels or none. Or in programming world, it is called as the null pointer. Rust do not have null pointer, so it deals with such conditions with enums. If we talk with regard to our example, in this case, we will create an enum which will provide us two alternative types of values. One is a list of vowel and another one is none or null. Let's explore enums with simple example. We have a situation where a website or app provides its user a spinning wheel. When user spins the wheel, they will get either a number or nothing. Here we have this enum result to handle this situation. We have two options. One is this number which is of type U32 and none which is nothing. So whenever a wheel spins, we can now handle both type of values, be it a number or none. Let's say we have spin the wheel once and got the result 2. Now let's print this result. Ignore this warning, and if you can see, we have got this number 2 in the output. As you look carefully, you can see we have this derived debug macro. We will talk about it later, but for now, this macro lets us to print this result. Let's spin the wheel one more time. This time, this wheel returns none. Let's run this code. Here you can see result 1, number 2, result 2 is none. If you look carefully, we got this result printed in the screen. But this wasn't the output we are looking for. Actually, we are looking for this 2 but got this number 2 in the output. Now, let's see how we can retrieve value from this result type. Let's remove this code for now. To achieve this, we use match statement. We match this result against all types of data this result enum can hold. And whichever pattern it matches, we do our task accordingly. Here, if we get this number, we'll catch this variable with this variable x and print it out in the console. And if we get none, we'll print just none in the console. Let's run the code. Ignore this warning, and here you can see we have got 2 in the output as this number is 2. Let's change this result from number to none. Now let's run the code again. Here you can see we have got none, as this result matches with this result none pattern, as you can see here.